Hey, I'm thinking you finna show me a real clip. That shit was AI. That shit ain't structured.
Alright, YouTube. So, we're back with another fucking video.
Hello, motherfucker.
Oh, I gotta update y'all, man. So y'all didn't know. Y'all saw the last video where pretty much we couldn't get this fucking lug nut off of the car.
No!
We got it off, bro. They had to drill into it and like do some crazy shit. Get it off, but got my tire on there. Clean ass tire at that.
Holy
Needed Larry Hoover and got the fucking lug nut off. Oh God, bro. BMW is a pain in the ass, but we got our lug nut off, man. And now we finna run these motherfuckers because me and my pops say M5 all the way. I'm thinking, my heart say M5, but my brain is M3. Just because I know this car is fucking running, bro. This car is running, bro, and I know that for a fact. Goddamn mosquito. Yeah, we got the vet. We've been trying to get the vet to race for a minute now. He don't want to do it. But this blackout vet look good, man. Got all of them lined up and shit. So. Hey man, we'll catch y'all when it's time to race. This that tire from yesterday, y'all. Oh, it looks horrible. Alright, y'all, so we finna try them out, man. Completely stock 2021 M5 competition versus a stage 1 M3 X-Drive competition. It's finna get real, I'm not gonna lie. It is finna get real, man. It's finna get real. I'm not, cause I love both of my cars, bro. I love my babies to death, bro. I love my babies. So I don't know. I love my babies, man. I really don't want none of them to lose. It's like having 2 kids and they fight. You like, what the fuck? Y'all don't fight. Y'all be friends. It's like, damn, these niggas really about to fucking race, bro. Let me know in the comment section who y'all got, stage 1 M3 G80 or completely stock M5 comp. Now, I'm not tripping if my G80 lose because I know this car obviously has the ability to be way faster than the M5, the S63. But as of right now, I can't let my pops beat me, bro. I can't let him beat me, so fuck it. We just finna see how it go, man. Shit. And this is about to hit because I didn't even get a chance to prep this car yet, bro. What I mean prep, I need to let some air out the fucking tires, bro. Fuck! I gotta let some air out the tires, bro. I gotta figure out a way to let some air out the tires, bro. I'm gonna try to do it real quick before the race starts. Cause if I can get some air out the back tires and out all the tires, I know I'm good. All right. All right, so that was a pretty good one. I ain't gonna lie. That was a good one. 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 Holy fuck. As long as if I can heat that tire up, it's a bad bitch. He jumped out in front. I'm coming though. I'm coming though. Come here, bitch. I'm coming like a motherfucker. Hey, he jumped out in front. I'm coming though. Oh shit. Hey boy. That's a good one. This motherfucking hawk shit, boy. I knew this car was faster. I knew it. Fuck. I felt that shit. Y'all, so I ain't gonna lie. It's, like I said, it's been months since I done drove this car right here. Man, it's been months since I done been in the M5 ski. Oh, man, I miss this shit, nigga. Oh, my God. I miss my M5, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. What the fuck my pops listening to? Hold on, let's go ahead and mute that. Let's turn that down. All right. Oh my God, it feels a whole lot smoother than the 3 Series though. I can't really see for real. I ain't gonna lie, that's another reason why I ain't been able to launch this whole new. Now the launch don't even feel the same, bro. Yeah, no. The launch don't even feel the same no more, bro. Damn, not this car feels slow to me now. That's what the 3 Series do. It don't even feel the same, bro. The 3 Series, it don't even feel the same, bro. Damn, that's fucked up. All right, y'all boys, and as y'all can clearly see, bro, last night we raced the M5 and the M3, bro, and those results really shocked the fuck out of me, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, that really did surprise the hell out of me. So, with that being said,
Hey, you don't know who the fuck you talking to. I'm OG, not old pussy.
I'm a grown-ass man. You playing TV at the gas pump for me is crazy. You think I got a TikTok brain? That's actually offensive, bro. Fuck you. But anyway, yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I gotta take this car to go get looked at because something ain't right, bro. I shouldn't be beating Z06s and twin turbo Vets and oh man, I shouldn't be. It's a lot of shit I shouldn't be beating, like Hellcats. And bro, I bought this car on the test drive, drove this car. It was pouring down rain, so of course I didn't really get a chance to push it. It was a smooth, simple drive, nothing crazy. I had bought it, got it shipped to me from Atlanta to Texas. Got it to Texas, drove it for the first time, and it was ridiculously fast. And I'm like, something ain't right. And I raced my homeboy with a cat, and I was like, if I keep up with the cat, I know this bitch ain't stop. But me already having a wild by the Hellcat, I'm telling y'all, like, it felt faster. And I'm like, nah, it feels faster than the cat. I know I'm not tripping. This feels faster than my Hellcat. So I ended up racing the Hellcat, and of course, I whooped him. And then I went to go take a look at it. Took it to RaceBox in Texas, which shout out to RaceBox, but they told me that the car was tuned, but it wasn't a crazy tune. But his guess was maybe 30 to 40 extra wheel horsepower. That's bullshit. That's still only 500 to 520 horsepower. I know what the fuck 520. I know what the fuck 600 horsepower feel like, nigga. I'm telling you right now, bro. This car is fucking running. The way I walk down a stock M5 in a G80, it's not supposed to be like that, bro. So I'm definitely gonna get this car looked at. I'm on the way to KLM right now, so I'm gonna catch y'all when we close, man. No count. All right, y'all, so we made it inside of KLM, bro. And I actually seen this car one day. This was the car I was telling y'all about. I saw a dumb, fast car, but before I could pull out my vlog, this motherfucker was gone. But that's the car, bro. I guess it was on stock motor then. That shit was moving, bro. And what this is right here?
This is our M2, Shop M2. Currently getting the billet valve cover tested.
Okay.
Made a couple revisions to it, so we're about to test it up to 1600 horsepower.
Oh, this is M2 says 1600.
Yeah, so
that's fire.
Yeah, it already ran a 7 at World Cup finals, and then
Oh, this the car everybody was talking about.
yeah.
Oh, world record, right?
Yeah, what
Okay. Yep, I heard about it. I went to a car meeting. They was like, dude, this is M2, man. I was in Texas. They was talking about that shit.
Yeah,
This is M2 that just ran a 7, bro. And I'm like, who fucking made that shit? They was like, KLM. I'm like, bro, they're like 15 minutes from my house in Virginia, bro.
Yeah, this is it. We ran like a 795.
Holy
Still
fuck.
stock valve cover. Now we got our billet version, so and this will allow us to like customers to be able to like retorque and keep the majority of the DI in and accessing all your head bolts. So it just takes away from the time that it takes to actually retorque your head. And it looks cooler too to have billet.
Nah, it definitely do look cool. I ain't gonna lie, that's sick.
There's like check valves inside. On the factory, those get stuck, and then the valve cover will like basically boost goes into the valve cover, and then the valve cover will explode.
Got you. Okay.
We fixed that issue too.
1 hour later.
So this is the car I heard about all the way in Texas that set the world record. And this thing is nuts. I'm not gonna lie. Look at the tires on here. That's the back one of it. Yeah, man, it took me long enough. I bought every other car except the G80 since I was last talking about it. But I actually bought my G80 on accident. I was driving to Texas, and I stopped at a dealership to holler at one of my friends. And the dealership next to his dealership had that G80, and I was like, blue interior? That looks nice. I'm like, okay. I went over there, and I'm talking about, this was like the most perfect spec to me personally, because I came from the M5. So, of course, I was real picky. I wanted the driver's package. I wanted the heads-up display and the sunroof and the power tailgate and the 360 camera. And I'm like, well, I ain't never seen an M3 with all of this shit. And then one may have 2, and then another one may not have the other. And when I seen the whole spec, I'm like, how much y'all want for this? And they was like, shit, we want 79 for that. I'm like, God damn, no, y'all tripping, bro. So they got me down like 77 out the door. It was sitting up there for 2 months. And I was like, okay, let me make a phone call. And I ended up getting it, so. Yeah, they shipped it to Texas. I was driving my Hellcat, and I drove to Texas, and they shipped it out like 2 weeks later. And I drove it back here, and I ain't gonna lie, I haven't even touched the Hellcat since I've got it.
Right.
Bro, M3 is so fun.
What's the guy does right now? Is based in stock?
I don't know. I got to figure something out, bro, because it's like everything I've raced, I've beaten. So I stock M3 is not supposed to, I don't think it's supposed to be beating Hellcats and shit on the 60 roll. Like, you know what I'm saying? Then I chased down my M5 last night from a dead standstill. Like, I passed him at 130, and it was like not even close. So I'm like, I don't think this car is stock, but I have no clue. You know, they told me it's, I took it to, when I was out there in Texas, I took it to Racebox, and it was like, no, it's stock. And I was like, okay. And then he drove it, and he was like, no, something ain't right. Let me look again. So he looked again, and he found some weird unlock. He was like, it's unlocked, but it's not unlocked. And I'm like, what are you saying? Because if it's unlocked, it's unlocked. If it's not, it's not. So he was trying to explain to me, like, it's got this, but it don't got that. And if you was to unlock it, we had to ship it back. And I'm like,
That's what I thought, but it doesn't have the JB4 harness. So.
yeah, I was assuming it was boot mod, but
I figured it had like a BM3 off the shelf map on it, something that's. But he said
okay, guys, we just finished leaving KLM, and man, cool people, man. Shout out to Daniel, bro. Daniel's my guy. Daniel, if you're watching this, I'll give you a big hug.